Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this small video as weekly recap of the trades and the setups and all that as usual. So let's get started. I want to keep it small, fast. So week started on the 26th, Monday, very slow day, only one trade, Aussie yen. This is a long entry. And you're going to notice the difference between the candle style. I just made a little change, and they're more very, very precise and good for your eyes. You'll see. So this is on the 26th, and then 27 was a good day. 27th, 20-minute entries. See, this is the one I just showed you that I took along here above the level, and it goes up there, hit this big level 81.76, and then start dropping, and took that one also, right? So and then on the 27th, euro yen. See, you saw Aussie yen flipping, then now the euro yen flipping, and then you'll see some other more yen pairs will be going to the downside because of yen strength. Okay. So euro yen 20-minute, and here you can see pound Aussie going to the upside, indicator all the way down, and nice pull back to the yellow line and went up. Very, very nice. And on the 27th again, pound Newsy was getting very strong, and pound was a little weaker. So this was the area, line in the sand, hitting and hitting and hitting and keep hitting and not doing anything. And even after my entry, it just to wobble around and then go up again, and so. But I was safe. Even though in such a situation, if let's say for example, if this area would go up here and hit my SL, and then maybe go up here and then give me a short setup, I will take it again. Okay. Even if let's say I lose maybe 10-15 pip here, you take it, because look what happened after that. Okay, that's the key. That's the key. All right. And I forgot to mention what the level was. It's 95 something, 95.40 something. But there is a big level here. This one, and all these white lines. Okay, here on the 28th, now the CAD again flipping. I mean, not CAD, yen, and CAD was getting strong because it dropped all the way down. The CAD index, if you see, I watch individual currency indexes very strongly, and I recommend everybody to do that. It's very important. So CAD yen to the long side, but it's from 7-minute chart. Okay, I'm switching, not switching, but also testing, and probably gonna switch to 29 and 7-minute charts instead of 40 and 20. Because they are very good. So this is the one I'm talking about. The candle, very different now, very precise, good-looking candles, very, very precise, and too many entries. Just too many entries. You see, entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here. I mean, you can't miss it. Once you know that the thing is going again, see after a big move to the upside, it dropped to the red line and then start going to the upside again. There was a nice level here as well. Price doesn't do anything, but it goes from level to level, weekly levels and monthly levels, monthly highs, weekly high lows, and weekly high lows. Now this is on the 20th. GJ again, like I said, that yen started to get weaker again, and yen pairs start running to the upside. And beautiful, transition of this wave, the other side of the red line. It was bearish here, then it started getting bullish, and then after that, it's gone with the wind, right? And I had another one on the 28th. I don't know where it went. I had two on GJ. But anyway, I'm probably going to see it later. Here you can see this is pound USD. I made this chart, this is Elliott wave count. I made a chart before showing that this is right here and it's going to drop. And then when it started dropping, I took an entry from 7-minute chart. But since I made the chart just like this one, before the entry from 29 minute. So I didn't save the 7-minute chart. I'm just showing you this is my entry here, and start dropping. And let me see what else. GJS, this is the second one. If you remember the first one I showed you, and it closed, and then on the 20th again it dipped, and then it started going to the upside again. This is the entry. And if you miss this one, you can take this one, you can take this one, you can take this one, then it drops, you can, so on and so forth. Very precise. This and not only precise, but it's more like it gives you a lot of opportunities to get into the moving market. So on the 29th, this is the big one. You can see this is the entry was on early on 28, but you can see that after that it went all the way, and then there was another entry I made here. It went down a little bit more, and obviously the target was this low here, and once it's there, I recorded the chart and closed the trades. Big trades, right? 180 pip, this one all the way, and this 50. This is from the 40-minute chart. But even 40-minute chart, I switched the style of the candles a little bit. Right? And look how nicely and precise and good looking these candles are. Long, when it was going up, you see, this is a long entry here. Long entry. These are like 100 pip, 70, 80 pip trades. This one, this one, this one, this one. All of these. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going to the upside. And here we have a very nice level. And the Aussie index was hitting the support and bouncing, and that's why it started to drop. And also pound weakness contributed in this one. After this, you had see this one, the pound, the second entry here. First one was there. This one I closed that one, and then after a little bit pullback, started to drop again. 40 pip. Not big trades, but these are from 7-minute charts. That's why. But yeah, first one was 60, 55, 60 pip, and then here another one. And the target was C in this area, FE 100, and we are here. Right? The chart that I made before, let me see if I have it. Maybe at the end, so I'll show you later. So this is another, it's a big one. This is pound CAD. It's going to drop big time. It's going to drop hundreds of pips. It is just the beginning. Trust me, it is just the beginning. It's going to drop big time. So, and I told my subscribers, and then the chart that I gave them, I'll show you once it's done, maybe a month later. But you will see how beautiful it is, and it's a very nice chart. And it's playing out right now. Okay. So, it is from the 29-minute chart. And, excuse me. But the entries, again, is from 7-minute. That's why. And it is, nicely, the setup was very nice on 29-minute, but I took it from the 7-minute. And the second one is right here. First one, second one, and it's all the way going to the downside. 95 pips and 75 pips. But where's the one USD? Pound USD. Okay, this is the one. See, this is the chart that I made. That just like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, and then A goes back to the previous fourth wave, and which is this one here. So it was a perfect wave A, and then it went up perfectly and making a head and shoulder, and this is where it's supposed to make a head and shoulder. And see, I have the fib drawn here around 61%, and then I said, how hard is it? That means that I'm going to take a trade from here. It's all set up and it's all obvious. And when it did, I showed you just now, a little while ago, 2 trades. One right here, going all the way down to the point C. Here you don't see the year-wave count, but let me just go back quickly and you will see what I'm talking about. This is the one, right? So the first trade was here, second trade was here, and we came down all the way. First one, let's go take a look right there. Okay, so A, B, and C was supposed to come down here, and we are here right now. We're going to bounce from here when the market opens up on Monday. Okay, so this is it for now. all these trades, you know, market was really tough last week, but still we came out very, very nice. Obviously, you know, a lot of people ask me that, don't you have any losses? Yeah, I do. Why not? I just told you. If you make a wrong entry and it hits your SL, doesn't mean anything, because if you make an entry, it goes in your way, maybe 10, 15 pip, 20 pip, and I move my SL a little bit, then it comes back and hit SL. At the time of opening, the trade is 25 pip. Okay. And when it moves a little bit in your direction, you move maybe 10 pips. It's, you know, like you have 10, 15 pips at risk, and if it comes back and hits you, that's fine. You just saw the trades and the pipage, the amount of pipage, if you are right. So does it really matter if I'm not showing my losses? You know, I have 5, 6, 7 losses. Doesn't mean anything. 10 pip, 15 pip here, 10 pip there. Even if I have, you know, 5, 6, 7, that's 100 pip. But you know, the trade, it only pound. Let me go back. No, let me go. This is 140 pip. This one trade, it covers all the losses and plus they'll give you the profit. But you know, what about this? You know, trade like that. You know, if you're right, it's a straight line. It's coming down. No SL hit, nothing. 180. That's 230 pip. Pound Uzi, I just showed you. That's 140 pip. That's, you know, this is what I'm talking about. So if you know you have 5, 6 hit SL hit in a week, doesn't mean anything. Believe me. And I don't want to waste my time. You know, making this chart, it's a lot of work here. So I make a lot of charts, and as it is, see, even this pound chart, you know, I don't even bother making the 7-minute chart because it's just too much work, too much headache. You know, mark this, mark that, write this, write that. You know, it takes a lot of time. So this is it for now. Like I said, always, if you like what you saw, you know, go on my website, subscribe. And today is Saturday morning here in America, in Miami, Florida. So wherever you are, we still have the whole Saturday and Sunday. You know, so sign up, get your package, and set up your charts. And by the way, this is the new thing that we started, and it's working beautifully. This is the WhatsApp group that I have made, and it's working very, very nicely. And it's a lot of people here sitting, talking, helping each other, going through, you know, informing each other about the upcoming setups, and you know, helping the newbies who are coming, you know, like new to Forex. So you know, it's very good. It's very good. Okay, it's working very nicely. So you're not going to be alone. When you sign up, you have a bunch of people every night come in here, and they start talking and they help each other, and they will be, you know, you can talk to them, ask questions and this and that if you have any problems. And once in a while I go in here too and drop my chart or give a hint or so. Okay, so very helpful. These are my charts that I post here showing what happened. See this pound Aussie, I'm sorry, pound USD chart I made, basically this one, and then it played out like that. Look, it is based on this the knowledge. This is what I teach. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC correction. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC correction. You know. So once you learn these Elliott wave or money patterns, things become easy. Okay, you can see what's happening exactly. Okay, this guy, see, like London is stepping out of market. If it bounces up, great. If not, I have my 230 pips. Tomorrow will be really hard. So he already have 230 pips for the day or for the week. I don't know, but and you know, all of them. Okay. Davey made pound USD 100 pip and pound USD. I saw she posted. Not everybody's telling, you know, how much they're making, but you know, they are there. They're there, happy, and then, you know, trading and talking to each other, and you know, especially that, you know, you don't have to be in front of the charts, because you know these guys here sitting in different countries, different time zone, and somebody's always there. And then if they see any, you know, setup or something is building, they post here, so you will be informed about upcoming setups. Magic wave setups. Okay, so this is it for now. Like I said, if you like go to our website and sign up and start trading like us, with us from Monday. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and have a very wonderful weekend as well.